The president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Muhammad Israr, has flagged off the Median Students Week program of the university at Ibrahim Usman Yakasey Sport Complex on the 5th of September 2022. The week-long program kick-started with football match among the students of the 4 existing schools of the university. In his opening remarks, Professor Israr stressed the importance of the sporting activities as it plays a crucial role in the physical and mental development of students.
It is my pleasure to present the first student week in Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria. I believe that everyone present here is doing good and are super excited about first student week for good physical fitness and strength. Sport is an integral part of life. Sport make our life interesting, teach us to work hard and push our limit to reach a new high. Sports teach discipline, respect, friendship, leadership, resilience, teamwork, and overcoming adversity. It is a crucial part of a student growth and development. The good school not only aims to improve a student's physical ability, but also help them learn a sense of good sportsmanship. I would like to appreciate all the students for their present, all fresh, happy and excited about the performance which are about to start. I wish good luck to all the students participating in the all activities. Also, I pray that you do all your best. For those students who have not participated this year, I would like to encourage the next year you should participate, that you can use your ability in the best way.
Earlier in his welcome address, the Vice President, Campus Life, Dr. Musa Lawal Jibia, said the event was designed to serve as an entertainment activity to enable students demonstrate their talents and skills in the various sporting competitions presented in the list of events during the week.
Our office, Student Affairs, is always open for you at any time to bring your complaints, suggestions, consultations and advice, and also counseling. The office will help in directing you on any information concerning school and is ready to offer any guidance to help you improve at any time. We thank all staff for their enormous support in the upcoming activities, and we also thank both the participants and audience for having the time to engage in such activities.
Also speaking, the Vice President Administration of MAAUN, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, said the event is first of its kind in the university.
I want to use this opportunity also to urge you to demonstrate high sense of sportsmanship and discipline in the conduct of this exercise, so that you will make this event a memorable one, a very great one. Without wasting much of your time, I would like to thank the Dean, or rather the Vice President Campus Life, the Student Affairs Division for organizing this program.
The football match was first played between students of School of Social and Management Sciences and that of Health Sciences, where students of SMS beat students of Health Science with 4-2. The second match was played between the students of Nursing Science and that of School of Computing, which ended 8-0 against the students of Nursing Sciences. The activities lined up in the week-long program include cooking feast, English drama and poetry presentation. Others include old school show, cultural display, Indian dances, color display, and novelty football matches between MAAUN staff and MAAUN pioneers.